Now let us see how to do the smart yoga. What is smart yoga? Smart yoga is devised only for the people who are fighting for the time. So they do not have even time for eating. So for such people, this program has been programmed. So within 20 minutes, you can finish this program and get maximum benefits. There are totally 2 asanas and 1 meditation. So it will take only 20 minutes to finish this program. So now Vikas will show you how to do this Dhanurasana. Now you can see it. Vikas, slowly bend your body and hold your legs. Very good. Bend your body backwards. Very good. Bending backward is the most powerful exercise according to Yoga Shastra. Yeah, now slowly tilt to your right. Do it slowly. Very good, very good. Now come back to the normal position. Raise your head. Yeah, now turn to your left. Very good. Now come back to the normal position. Yeah, bend backwards. Yeah, now slowly release your legs. This is called Dhanurasana, the most powerful exercise. It activates and reactivates all your intestine organs. It works wonderfully in physical management. Have deep inhale and exhale a breath. 2 times you have to do it. After each asana, you have to do deep breathing and exhaling twice. Each asana has to be done minimum for 5 times. If you have more time, the number of times can be increased. Utthita Padasana. Utthita Padasana means you have to slowly raise your legs. Stay in this position for 20 seconds. Slowly land your legs, slowly land your legs. Yeah, have a deep breath 2 times. Yeah, one more time. Yeah, very good. This asana has to be done minimum 5 times. If you have more time, you can do more times. The more you practice this yoga asana, the more benefits you will get. Because we will do the pranayama combined with the Gayatri mantra. Yeah, please do because pranayama combined with the Gayatri mantra. Yeah, this has to be done for minimum 10 minutes to have the desired result. This is a very good exercise for mental stress. It is a stress buster. Yeah, at least to do it for minimum 10 minutes. If you have more time, you can do it more times. So minimum 10 minutes you have to do this pranayama. Vikas is doing meditation. He is in the meditation mode. He will recite Om 108 times minimum. This is very good. If you do it early in the morning, it reduces your stress. Yeah, very good. You have to do like this. Minimum 10 minutes or 5 minutes. How much time you can gain, you can allot for this. It is better for you. Yeah, very good. Because this is meditation. You have to recite Om 108 times. Meditation can be done in this asana also. This is Sarvanga asana. Means whole body exercise. You can meditate in Sukhasana as Vikas was doing it earlier. If you meditate in this asana, the benefits will be more. So, if possible, you can use this asana for doing meditation. Otherwise, you can do the meditation in Sukhasana itself as earlier discussed. Kindly read my blog, Smart Yoga for the Busy Bees, attached to this video. Thank you. Stay healthy. Goodbye.